Hey guys, welcome to a Cryptomindd Bitcoin update. So this video will be about my long-term view and long-term perspective I have on Bitcoin right now. So first of all, what's catching my eye was this break here of the $7,500 region. But excuse me. This was the first thing that catches my eye or catched my eye directly. The broke structure. So theoretically that means that we could be possibly bearish again. However, if we need to be bearish again, we should close somewhere under $6,000. That's where we could have more bearish momentum. Now for this, in my opinion, is still a correction wave. So I pretty much see it like something like that in a long-term perspective. Somewhere around 7,500 to $5,000 region will be the B wave, and we could have a C wave around 16K. So that's a sort of long-term perspective I see right now. What's also catching my eyes is this trend line around here. Boom. Which could indeed correlate with my B wave around here if we fall under the $7,500 or $6,800. We could definitely spike to around the 200 weekly EMA to then retest further upside. Now what I think that's gonna happen after we run up so much, if we do, but I think there's a high possibility we do, we could see a sort of pattern incoming for Bitcoin, a consolidation pattern. Now why do I think this will happen is because we are with a lot of Moon boys and Lambo boys in this crypto space. So I think we first need to wipe out all the people who are in Bitcoin for the quick money, or in crypto in general for big money, kick them out or play them out or bore them out. And then after a few years, I think around the end of 2021, we could break up for Bitcoin to a new all-time high, possibly. Now, my target for a new all-time high is around $32,000 to $37,000. Just that you know. But to stay with the price action of the day, I think it's most likely will make a huge consolidation pattern before breaking up to the upside. Yeah. Now, what could happen next is that we retest structure points here and then fall indeed lower towards my targets and then have a run up again to the upside where my target is. Now, before that happens, I'd like to see Bitcoin close above the $9,500 region. This is this here, this point, the structure point as well. As long as we stay above the structure point of $6,800 or $7,500, we could have more bullish momentum. If we close under, we could definitely spike, like I said, to the 5K again, the 5Ks, holy shit, the 5K region again, before having further continuation to the upside. Do I think we could retest these lows? Definitely. I definitely think, because like I said, we will outboard a lot of people. A lot of people will get angry, will get pissed, and will give up on this asset. So in my opinion, we could definitely have a run up to 17K, break the previous highs, go to 17K, fall all the way down again, a last accumulation zone, and then possibly break up to the upside for possible a new all-time high. Now remember, it's just a theory that I have, but I like to share it with you guys because we had a huge 5 impulse waves here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After a 5 wave, there comes an ABC correction wave, I think. A, B, C. We could see this on a daily perspective then. Like this. C1, structure retest, rejection to retest 4, 5, before any further continuation. So that's generally how I look at crypto, or at least at Bitcoin right now. Let me quickly take a sip. This is my current view on Bitcoin. I don't close out that we could retest or spike to the 5Ks, to the 5K region. But for now, I'll flow with price action, stick to my plan. I watch price action at this price point of $7,500 to $6,800. That was pretty much it for my Bitcoin update. It's just a nice thought that I had that I'd like to share with you guys. I hope you enjoyed my first video on YouTube. Sorry for the bad quality of English because I'm a little bit tired, but all will be good after a few weeks of trying this. If there are any questions, please don't hesitate to send me a message on Instagram. Also make sure to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Peace.